Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. Hi guys, are you new to Instagram account and you are looking that how can you post through your Instagram? Well then you are at the right channel because today in this video we are going to tell you that how can you post a picture or a video through Instagram. Alright, so let's begin the video. Now let's open it. Now on this home page you see a plus sign over the top corner. Now you need to tap on this. Once you will tap on this plus sign, it will take you to your mobile picture gallery, the gallery where you have all your pictures, the videos. Maybe from there you can select. All right, so let me scroll it down and let me check which picture I would like to post today. All right, let me post this one. Okay, I have selected the picture and now it says over the top new post. Now see a arrow over here, the blue arrow, tap on that. Now it will take you to another page where you have the options where you can add multiple filters in this picture. Maybe in this picture I would like to keep it as it is. If you'd like to edit, you have all the choices. Just check it out, whichever shade or whichever filter is best for your picture. All right, once it's done, then again press this blue arrow over the right side of the screen. Now once you press over here, it will ask you for another option, that is remix for photos. However, if you'd like to keep it, you can say okay over here. All right, so here is the caption button. Let me put up some good caption over here and see the tick button. Once you press it, it will ask you another option, share posts and stories. I don't want to do it right now, so I'll say not now. Always share your Instagram posts on your Facebook. Now it's up to you. The Instagram is giving you an option that whatever the pictures that you post over Instagram, would you like that picture to be posted on your Facebook account also? However, this is good for the people like who are for the doing it for the business purposes. However, if you want that all of your pictures which are there on your Instagram, you want it to be posted on your Facebook account also, so maybe you can select this option, always share to Facebook. However, this is just an example, so for the demo purpose I don't want to share this photograph over my Facebook account, so I'll select not now. Maybe later I can do it. All right, so that's my post. It has been posted through my profile and you're good to go. So these are very basic and very easy steps that you need to follow, and you can post your pictures, videos, whatever the data you want to upload on your Instagram account. You can do it like this. All right, so that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.